Ah, this one's small now. Oh yeah, give me globally. How you they sell? Sell a video. Have you video my food, how you they sell? 500, 1,000. How much? 1,000. This one. Yes. This guy is very funny. Don't talk to my customer like this. Eh? You'll be fine, but calculator. How big is this thing? So, like, as I was saying now, I'm already here in Tejuosho. This place. Good evening, sir. This thing. I think I should ask. This one is how much? How do you sell? These ones are big though. These ones are big. Ah, you want fine. Okay, wait, calm down. You don't make me laugh. Coconut. Who they sell now? Give me coconut. 2. I think 100 naira. Give me big size though. Someone need to select. This man not carrying car cover front. So this is my customer actually. But this one I can't tie the dabino like this. Thank you. Please help me. Thank you. Who is here? Hello, good evening.